Hey everyone, Andy here at the Sony booth at NAB 2010. I'm here with Joe Schimizzi from Sony, and well, the SRW-9000PL. This is the updated version of the 9000 with the PL mounted 35mm sensor. So I'm really happy to see this camera, but Joe, you're going to tell us all about it, right? So a couple questions. What is the big difference between the 9000 and the 9000PL?
Well, one of the biggest differences is going to be the image block, and we have now taken our F-35 imager. Our camera has really taken the production industry by storm, and we've managed to take it and include it in the body of our SRW-9000, which has the benefit of having onboard SR recording. So really what we're trying to do is just make good on our promise to our customers when we first launched 9000 that said, this is an investment. You want 2/3, we'll give you 2/3. You want 35, we'll give you a 35 sensor. And we're even going to go a little further as time goes on within a reasonable time frame that we'll be able to swap out the tape guts of the camera and put in our SR memory recording module, which will allow you to record onto 1 terabyte cards all the benefits and robust video format that is our HD Cam SR.
Well, difference between the F-35 and this camera, other than the form factor alone, of course. Is there any difference between the sensor or any other image processing in the camera at all?
No, actually, this is the same. It's literally the same block as the F-35. In terms of like differences, there are. On the F-35, it's we've made that for our film cinema customers. So really, the way we're thinking about it. So like accessory power at 1224 volts. That we're not really thinking about that in terms of the design of this guy, because that's really made for our film accessories. We're trying to split the difference between our E&G and cinema customers with this camera. So that's the logic that we have working here.
Great. Well, talked about the upgrade path. We've talked about the sensor. Anything else you want to mention about the overall overall evolution of this camera? Is there other upgrades in the future?
Absolutely. We're constantly refining this. We're really listening to our viewer feedback. One of the things we have at play here is some firmware we've developed that now we can have right here. You can see the camera rated at ISO 800.
Oh, yeah.
So we have that set up. We've actually affected the signal processing in the camera to actually make that ISO 800 even cleaner. You've been able to do ISO 800 in the camera the whole time, but now it's a slightly cleaner version of it. And we've added a little bit more special sauce, where if you have our daylight filter on, our 56K electronic color correction, we've actually also added blue noise signal reduction, blue noise handling in just for that filter. So if you're in a daylight environment or heavily blue environment, we're able to account for noise in the blue channel better than we've been able to do before, which has not been shabby.
Well, very nice. I'm excited to see this camera. I know our customers who own the camera or who are looking to buy this camera are excited about the possibility. So thanks for having us here. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.